Hello everyone, today we are getting up close and personal with the highly anticipated iPhone 16 lineup. I've managed to get my hands on some accurate mockups for my viewers, even though it was slightly hard, but I managed it, giving us an exclusive sneak peek at what Apple has in store. I've got 4 models, iPhone 16 and 16 Pro in black, 16 Plus in pink, and 16 Beast, the Max in white, which I really like. Let's dive in. They come in rather tightly and well-cushioned packaging, which had several layers to cut through. Inside there were 4 boxes, each labeled with the model and color it contained. All of them had plastic screen covers as well. I didn't understand why, but at the back they had black stickers covering a very faint Apple logo, I guess due to delivery regulations. Now to the major shocker in the camera department. Unlike the iPhone 15 series, the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus don't have a diagonal camera setup, and we are returning to the iPhone 12 or maybe iPhone X era. With this setup, these iPhones don't look very different from tons of Android phones out there. And I say it's more like the iPhone X because on the iPhone 12, the camera island was larger, encompassing the flash in it. However, with the iPhone 16, the flash is outside the island, which is going to be a pain for case manufacturers. They might just have to cut slightly around it from an otherwise complete backside. But we will see how it works out. But if you look at the camera modules, the Pro models appear to have larger sensors indicating improved low light performance and potentially high resolution images. The standard models might benefit from sensor upgrades as well, judging by the increased camera bump size. Moreover, the ring silent switch will be vanishing from all the models, and all of them will now come with an action button. It was expected to be bigger in size, however, it seems slightly smaller when compared with previous models. I personally prefer a bigger one for convenience, but we will see what ends up happening in the final version. The huge update, and I guess the real deal, is going to be this additional button on the Pro models, which is rumored to be one of 2 things. Either it could be reserved for Apple Intelligence, which would make sense from Apple's point of view to give that AI push as every other company has been doing, or it might be a capture button for all of your video and photo needs. If it ends up being a capture button, it would offer seamless zooming and focusing capabilities with haptic feedback. Although it does offer haptics, it won't be something you can press like the rest of the buttons. I've got long fingers, so it seems reachable to me, but I think if it was placed slightly lower, that would have made it convenient for many users. In any case, I think this addition could make already great iPhone cameras much better. And if you look at the bottom, the iPhone 16 lineup will come with a Type-C port and could offer 40-watt charging along with speakers located at the bottom. All of the models are expected to have a battery size bump except for the iPhone 16 Plus, which is expected to scale down to a 4000 mAh battery. Although I've got them in really nice colors, I actually like these colors, and these models feel really good. I don't know why, although they are all made of plastic and there's no titanium or anything like that, but obviously that will be different for the actual thing. But we will see what the colors end up being. It could be same colors. I actually like this white. So we will see, wait for it, how it works out. I quite like the size, but I think the size increase in iPhone 16 series could be significant. iPhone 15 and 15 Pro were around 5.8 inches, whereas iPhone 15 Plus and Max were around 6.3 inches. However, iPhone 16 lineup is expected to be 6.1 inches for iPhone 16, 6.3 for 16 Pro, 6.5 for 16 Plus, and 6.9 for 16 Pro Max, which could be huge. Lastly, I'm keen to see how the capture button ends up playing out. What is something you are looking forward to in the iPhone 16? Drop a comment, make sure to hit that subscribe button for early iPhone 16 hands-on reviews and tests once it's out. See you in the next one. Thank you.